In this video, I will show you how to indent only one line in Google Docs without affecting the rest of the paragraph. When you try to use the ruler at the top of the document to indent, you may notice that it moves the entire paragraph instead of just the first line. To fix this, you need to use the small blue bar located at the top of the margin ruler. Clicking and dragging this bar slightly to the right will move only the first line, while keeping the rest of the paragraph in its original position. If you want to indent a specific line in the middle of a paragraph rather than the first line, you need to separate it from the rest of the paragraph. To do this, place your cursor before the line you want to indent and press Enter to create a new paragraph. After that, remove any extra spaces to keep the formatting clean. Once it is a separate paragraph, you can move the top ruler bar to adjust the indentation. This method allows you to shift only the intended line while keeping the surrounding text unchanged, and that is how you can indent a single line in Google Docs.